This is going to give you a great opportunity to revisit and practice a lot of the poses that we have done in all the episodes, all the classes before, working on your strength and your flexibility. So let's get started. Dhanurasana, the bow. Bring your forehead down onto the mat. Hold on to your ankles by bending your knees. Take a nice long inhalation. Bring the arms, the legs, everything up as high as you can. Holding there for a good 15 seconds if you can. If you get very tired, you can release the pose earlier. Find a place on your stomach where you're not rocking forward and back. You're nice and stable. Hold. Gently release the pose. Rest for a moment. When you feel your breathing is back to normal, draw the feet together, bring your hands underneath your shoulders and push back into child's pose. Take 3 deep breaths here. Relax your shoulders, release the lower back fully. If you're not able to sit back on your heels, it's alright. If you're not able to touch the floor with the forehead, make a fist and relax there. Fold your legs and fold forward. Come to a crocodile pose on the floor. Bring the 2 toes, the big toes together. Make a pillow with your hands. Turn your cheek to one side. Rest for a moment. Switch off all the muscles. Take 3 deep breaths here. Every time you inhale, feel your abdomen gently pressing against the floor. Exhale completely every time you exhale, letting all the breath out of your lungs. Remember to breathe through the nostrils, not through the mouth. Draw the legs together, pull up the kneecap muscles. Take a nice long inhalation, draw the heels up. Fix your gaze on a spot. Make your ankles nice and firm, shoulders resting in their sockets. Use your stomach, don't let your back arch, engaging the thighs, especially those muscles above the knees, pulling them up. Nice stable ankles, moving through the middle toes of your feet. Relaxed chest, staying there for 3 more breaths. And gently release, drawing the heels down slowly, don't drop out of it. Shake the legs if you need to. Hopefully, practicing with me has helped you build flexibility and strength in your body and your mind. Do leave me some feedback right here, whether you're able to practice regularly along with the videos or if you're facing any hurdles while practicing with me.